All right, maybe I should try this in English instead, right? All right, so what I'm doing now, I guess I'm taking another walk with the cats. Mish. Really needed some sunshine, right? And some air. Feel the power of air. Breathe air. Nice. Been sitting in front of the computer all day. Yesterday, more or less. Huh? I'm a warlord, and this is my soldiers, right? Troops. Right? This is just like Mountain Blade, right? No, anyway, that was a sidetrack. So anyway, so my plan for this weekend is Sunday, by the way, 2nd of November. So my plan of this weekend was to hack my machine from VulnHub number 11, right? And I found a tutorial. It will only take like 7 minutes long, the video length, right? So I think it will be easy peasy and so on. Just another machine to hack and get that on my portfolio, right, of experience. So, but what actually happened was I got like on a side track all the time. So I'm just want to reflect that you might have like a straight goal. Okay, I want to do this simple and easy. Another hack, new hack, right? And then you just get like a chain of miss. Give me some space. Okay, so I'm gonna have like a direct goal, right? Okay, I just want to hack this and complete it, right? But then I get like a chain of side quests, if you can call it, because I got some technical issues and I have to spend so much time troubleshooting Linux, right? So the first thing was like the thing that got me stuck to begin with, that I needed to download something called Android Data Bridge to be able to hack this machine because of some kind of open port or something, right? But then I found out I don't have enough space on my virtual machine to actually download the software, right? The package. So I have like this problem with, okay, I only have like 34 GBs on my virtual machine, and I need more space. And I remember back in class that the people told me that it was not possible to increase your disk, right? Your hard disk size after creation, right? It's impossible. But I didn't believe in that, right? It cannot be real that you cannot increase the size of a virtual hard disk, right? Hard drive. Doesn't make any sense. So I did some digging, right? Mish. I did some digging and found some videos, tutorials how to actually increase the virtual disk without having to reinstall the operating system from scratch. That would be so fucking awful, right? So, yeah. But then, yes, finally, now I got some space. Got some more space, and I put it like 70 instead, right? Thank God. So it should not be a problem again in the future. Then I was like, okay, maybe that wasn't the real issues to begin with, because when I could not do sudo apt get, now I had a sudo apt update / upgrade, right? It was not possible. And then after some digging with the error code, it seems to be something with what was it called? GPG key or something, GNU public guards or something, private guards key. So some kind of public key or something that you need to update or something in order to update your operating system or something. It sounds a little bit silly if you ask me. Like, why is that a thing? But Okay, fair enough. I learned something new, right? So I guess you get the point, right? My plan was just to complete a new assignment, right? A new lesson, but I learned so much more than what was the actual goal, right? So anyway, and then I was like, okay, I updated Kali Linux, right? And then what? I got some kind of other issues, right? I think. Like there's something with, okay, I might as well also update VirtualBox because I was running 7.1.8 and it's like the newest version was like 7.2.4. Niche. I really have to watch my steps. Okay. So after updating VirtualBox, right, I got some new issues. I could not even start up the freaking machine up again. I could not boot up again because some kind of a kernel issue or something. After some more reading on the internet and GitHub board and so on, it seems that the best thing is to actually just what do we call it? Like uninstall VirtualBox and then install it from scratch. Like upgrading the software will actually give you more issue that instead of just delete and then download and install, right? So yeah, the more you know. All right. Then the newest problem was I could no longer copy and paste between the host machine and my virtual machine, right? So and that is pretty annoying, right? I don't want to write all these long commands, right? Been using my fingers so much in my past, so I really don't want to get any strains, right? More hurts than necessary, right? So copy pasting is nice, right? Of course, writing also a good way of learning it, right? Learning by doing it, but some of the long commands is really annoying to write by hand, right? So it's nice just to be copy pasting commands and get it done, right? Get the job done. So yeah, download and install the VirtualBox extension pack, right? And so on, but that was not enough, right? I also had to do some stuff on the Linux machine, right? So yeah, that was also a bit troublesome. But you can like in the top, you can like insert guest partition disk or something weird, like a virtual CD or something, right? And in that CD, you get the actual mod or extension you have to like install on your machine. But it was also pretty annoying, right? Even though we're using sudo or running as root, I could not, for the love of God, get to run the actual CD on the freaking CD, right? The files. I don't know. It's just so fucking silly. Anyway, so my solution was to download all the files, like copy all the files, copy all the files, and then put it in a new folder, and then I could like change permissions, right? Cmod, right? Chmod, and change the permission, right? And then just fuck it, 777, right? Like that 777. I don't care. I'm too old for technical bullshit. Anyway, then it worked, right? I could actually install the package. I could run the run command or something, right? And then I had to restart the computer to be able to update the kernel or something. And then it works. Now I can finally copy paste between the machines, and now I can actually start working on my capture the flag, right? The vulnerable machine from VulnHub, right? So yeah, it's nice with a little refresher of all the technical issues, right? And that's also inside my notes, right? When I going to release that sooner or later, right? Miss. Run. Run. Miss. Miss. Løbe, miss. Come, miss. Come. It's like World of Warcraft, right? Pet. I have a pet. So there might be like a pet battle with a squirrel, right? Or a hawk, right? Hedgehog wars. Alright. Niche. Alright. Alright, so yeah. And after all the debugging and troubleshooting since yesterday, right, afternoon, I think it would be nice with some with a little walk outside, right? Mish. Right. So yeah, now we're here, and when I get home, I will finish my capture the flag, right? Machine number 11, right? 11, right? So I will be hitting my goal. That was 12 machines before New Year. Gonna be easy, right? Easy peasy. Consistent, right? Just have a goal and stick to it, right? Have a plan. So yeah, let's enjoy the walk. So yeah. When I have finished hacking the machine, right, I will probably put a link in the description, right? So you can read my notes on GitHub, my GitHub security repository. Okay. So let's just say take care and chung ungon, or what do we say? Golan, something Vietnamese. Tænk Viet. Mish. Vil du også sige hej? Xin chào. Xin chào, kat. Mish. Alright. Alright. Chung ungon. See you later. My.